Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can post several pictures on your story at once. So let's get right into it. Now, on Instagram, once you're at your front page, what you want to do is hit the button to start posting the story. You can hit the plus button in the bottom middle, or you can swipe to the right like this. It really doesn't matter, but you want to get to your story. Then you want to click your gallery icon in the bottom left until you get to your gallery. Then select the photos that you want and tap and hold them and your selection should appear, and then just tap the other photos that you want to upload. Then hit next, and as you can see, you have a choice of a layout, which is pretty much to make a layout for your photos to be combined into one single story, or you have separate, which will make several separate stories for your photos. Once you've done that, I'll just choose separate, just hit that, and as you can see, you can preview your stories like this. Hit next, and then select where you want to share it, select a story or close friends, and they will be posted. And once you do, that is pretty much all you need to do, and your stories will be posted. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.